In this video, I'm going to explain you exercise 4.9 and question number 2, find the value of, where we have to find the value of 8x cube minus 1 upon 27x cube when 2x minus 1 upon 3x is equal 5. Now in this question, we have to give the value of 8x cube minus 1 upon 27x cube, whereas the value of 2x minus 1 upon 3x is equal 5 is given. So we are taking the part 2x minus 1 upon 3x is equal to 5, and then after writing it in the solution, we are taking the cube of both the sides, left side as well as right side. By taking the cube on both the sides, let's see what do we get on the left side and right side. On the left, we are going to expand the two terms 2x minus 1 upon 3x in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b in the bracket. As you know, as you are aware of the formula, so that's why in this question directly expanding the real expression of the question, they are 2x 1 upon 3x whole cube minus 3 2x 1 upon 3x, and then for AB we take 2x minus 1 upon 3x is equal to 5 3 times. 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. Now 2x3 is 3 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and x is 3 times x cube. In the same way, 1 upon 3 is 3 times 1 upon 27, and x is 3 times x cube minus. Now as I explained this thing earlier also in the previous question number 1, then you can multiply the quantities in the form of 3ab, as well as you can cancel the expression also. Now we can use both the ways. 3 to the 6 and 6, 3 to the 6 and 6 1 the 6, and then upon 3x. Over here 2x minus 1 3x is replaced by its value 5, that is equal to 125. Now x and x are possible to cancel, so that's why we are going to cancel them. In the same way, 3 and 6 are possible to cancel, that's why 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. As a result, we have only 2 and 5 on this side. So 8x cube minus 1 upon 27x cube minus 10 left on the left side, and on the right we have 1 upon 125. Now in the second last step, we are shifting this minus 10 to the right hand side, so we have only 8x cube minus 1 upon 27x cube left on the left side, which is asked in the question. So and when minus 10 shift from left to right, minus 10 become plus 10. As a result, 8x cube minus 1 upon 27x cube is equal to 135. So in the last, we got the value of 8x cube minus 1 upon 27x cube as 135. In the same way, you will solve all the remaining 3 part of question number 2, where the fractions are given for the finding the value of. Now question number 3, that is if x minus y is equal to 2 under root 2, and we can read it as 2 radicand 2, prove that x cube minus y cube minus 6 under root 2 xy is equal to 16 under root 2. Now in this question, we are given with only the value of x minus y, whereas the other quantity is given to prove in the end. And that quantity is x cube minus y cube minus 6 under root 2 xy, that is equal to 16 2. It means that when we are going to use the formula of cube on both the side of equality, the quantity which we should get in the end is x cube minus y cube minus 6 under root xy is equal to 16 under root 2. So over here we are going to take part x minus y is equal to 2 under root 2 for cubing both the sides. Now x minus y is equal to 2 under root 2. By taking cube on both the sides, see what do we get. Taking cube on both sides, we get, now what do we get? X cube, x minus y cube expand into x cube, y cube minus 3xy, x minus y is equal. Now 2 under root 2 is 3 times, means 2 is the quantity which is 3 times, under the root 2 is also 3 times. So we can show this thing as 2 under root 2 into 2 under root 2 into 2 under root 2. Now whole 2s, 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 1 2 3, 3 whole 2s, and because of these 3 2s we are getting 8 over here. Now under root we have 3 quantity as 2. So if we write all 3 2s under one radical, we are getting like this. Now making a pair of 2 2s, we are taking out one of the 2 from the radical. As a result, 1 2 is still left in the bracket. Now you see, under root we have 2 3 times. So we made a pair of 2 2s and taking out 1 2 from the radical because of a complete pair, and the another 2 is without pair, that we write under the radical as it is. Now the part which is before the equal, and we can say that the left side, in the left side we are writing x cube minus y cube quantity as it is minus 3xy as it is, and now x minus y is replaced by its value 2 under root 2. In the next step, you see what do we get? X cube minus y cube minus 3 and 2 is the whole quantity. That's why we multiply 3 and 2 together, that is 6. And because under root 2 cannot be multiplied and we cannot merge them, under root 2 is with power 1 and 6 is with the whole power. That's why we write them separately as it is, and then xy. And now we get x cube minus y cube minus 6 under root 2 xy, and then 8 2s are 16. That is what we get the answer.